Welcome to the SwellPro product tutorial videos. In this video, we will show you everything inside the SplashDrone 4 box and the out-of-box takeout order. To open the case, unlatch the locks, then open up the case. Take out the left and right holding forms before taking out other parts of the drone. If you choose the payload release accessory with the drone, the payload release will sit on the left holding form. The right holding form serves as a spare container to store the miscellaneous items. The SplashDrone 4 comes with 2 pairs of carbon fiber quick-release propellers. Here is the intelligent flight battery, stored separately in the battery holder. This is the SplashDrone 4. And this is the remote controller, which has a mobile device holder. Underneath the SplashDrone 4 is the camera case. It has an accessory bag. Remove the protective holder is the waterproof camera you choose to come with the drone. There is another case housing the remote controller charging cable and the micro USB cable for firmware updates. Here is the SplashDrone 4 charger, which charges both your intelligent flight battery and the remote controller. Finally, there is a user guide with all the other accessories. Thanks for watching, and please go watch the SplashDrone 4 first flight tutorial video, where we show you how to set up and fly your SplashDrone 4 for the first time.